Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use zoom on your ACER Predator 17. So if you want to use a keyboard shortcut, it's very simple. All you need to do is click on Windows and plus on your keyboard to turn the zoom on. Now the zoom is on. If you move the cursor, it will follow the cursor, of course. You can click on Windows and plus again to zoom in more, or Windows minus to zoom out. And if you click on Windows and Escape, it will quit the zoom. But if you don't really want to use shortcuts or you want to customize your zoom, go to Settings, then go to Ease of Access. Now scroll until you find you don't have to scroll. Just find the magnifier. Then you can turn it on here or turn it off. Then you can change the zoom level, the zoom increment, and you can enable options like start magnifier before or after sign in. Then you can smoothen the edges of images and text. You can invert colors if you need that. And there are also things like change of view, and that's pretty useful. You can also remember the shortcuts or remember the Ctrl-Alt-M, which will cycle through views. And you can also click on Ctrl-Alt-Space to temporarily show the entire screen. And I'm gonna show you how like all these views look. So if I click on Windows Plus, then I can click on Ctrl-Alt-M. You can see this is the lens, so it just follows your cursor. And there's also the docked view, which will dock itself here at the top. And that's basically everything. You can also resize the dock, by the way. And you can also zoom in it. So I hope that video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.